We have increased the size, we have increased the range, we have increased the performance. You can see it's a grand feeling. Frequency selective dampers allow us to make sure we have a very good stability at high speeds, testing on the Autobahn, making sure we had the alignment between steering, braking, the responsiveness of the vehicle, something only a truly German brand can achieve.
The grand idea behind the Grandland was full digital light. The complete light distribution moves digitally to your vehicle dynamics. The widest system we have ever developed at Opel, and it literally turns night into day.
We've grown the car by 170 millimeters, the right size at the top end of that segment. That gives us a much increased legroom in the second row.
With the new Opel Grandland, the Opel portfolio is fully electrified. This car is grand. It's German engineering at its best.